Nobody in India made a video about this phone. Even international, there are very less videos about this phone. So what is this phone? Let me unbox first. Phone was delivered very fast. This is the blue dot information. Let's open it. We got the box in a bubble wrap, and I think we got the bill this time. I think this is the bill. Let me open the box. Packaging is good. We'll have the phone always on the top. This is the phone. I think this was cleaned very well before sending to you. I will try to turn on this device. So the fingerprint sensor is different from power button. I got the vibration feedback and you can see it turning on. Sony Xperia. Initially, these devices will be in Japanese language. You can set them up in English. The display is 6.5 inch and 4K resolution. Let's check the. It has Snapdragon 855, but this is a 4G phone. It is 7 nanometer, and the battery is 3200 mAh. This phone has 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. It is currently on Android 11. You get a power button and fingerprint sensor. Both are individual. This has triple camera setup. All the cameras are 12 megapixel. The main lens is 26 mm and ultra wide angle is 16 mm. At last telephoto lens is 54 mm. That's it. And the front camera is 8 megapixel. The maximum it can record is 1080p. It has a dedicated camera shutter button. You have to press it. It will open.